So the battery gave out in the last video, and I just realized that I've been doing all sorts of work without documenting any of it in case I get lost or anything. Everything I've done since the last time the camera rolled has been nothing out of the ordinary. If you go and search disassembly motor, disassembly ESC or servo, you'll see the exact procedures that I've just gone through. Disconnecting the servo from underneath. The screw sizes are different, so hopefully they won't get lost from there. I've got to put these 4 screws back where they came from, and that was underneath here, so I should actually mark those on the tape here because I've got to swap out this ESC for that ESC over there. So just a little bit of tape flipped upside down so it sticks, and then a little bit of ripped off tape to hold it in place. And I'll call this servo mount box underbody. Tray is better. It's got a real different word, or it's got a different word, really, or really it has a different word. So all I've done here is to take off the power switch from, I guess it was that screw right there, and these 2 guys from right here. Got to disassemble this box. The servo comes out. I'm not sure that I'm ready to start all that right this moment. It's a process, and once it starts, it should not stop as far as I'm concerned. So today I got these bits in the mail, and this 2mm on here has been absolutely a godsend. It's made short work of everything. You can see here I was struggling in pain with the it's actually the aft side of it over here that I was struggling in pain with, and 5 seconds later with that drill bit it was all gone and over with, and I got this piece back on. I also, while I was out today, I brought back one of the action packer tubs so we can take a look at this in place and see how it kind of fits or doesn't fit. It does fit, but you'll see what I mean. And yeah, I guess that's it. Really, I should sort this table out because it's getting to be a mess. So I am again getting ahead of myself, and I'm already reattaching or attaching the new servo in place. And getting way ahead of myself. So I've got the torque set to 1 on this, so it will not overdrive. So it may be that I need to adjust the servo forward or back. We'll see how that goes. And I got a bag of new pieces, but I'll need to pull that piece off. But while at it, let's swap the wires because they're different colors. Black is always right. Boink. This goes to STR for steering. There's that all taken care of. Throttle and auxiliary. Auxiliary would be the fan, and yes, indeed, that's true in this case. So we'll pull this out, and on this guy, I will assume that this is the fan, because that would make a bit of sense. However, what we don't have is an additional line to this fan. So I'll have to splice one in. And hope there's, no, that is the auxiliary. No, it's the throttle. So there is no actual art is there. So we'll call that throttle. That fan takes care of that, which means I have no auxiliary. So I could cut this line out of this guy here. see if I got it. Yeah, I definitely have a